Insurance is one of the oldest financial industries. According to archaeological studies, there is evidence of ancient forms of insurance being law under the Code of Hammurabi. In medieval times, it was possible to obtain sea loans in which an investor would credit a traveling merchant against the cost of their goods. If the merchant returned, they would be liable to repay the debt. Across history, as new risks were identified, a need for protection against those risks have emerged. The risks themselves evolved over time, necessitating new tools and concepts with which to manage them. Modern insurance largely started in the Enlightenment era Europe and was mainly concerned with property coverage. In England, the property concern would have been largely related to cargo ships, with fire insurance growing out of need in relation to the London fire of 1666. But as risks and technologies have changed, so too has insurance, and the way in which insurance manages those changes. If we look at how insurance and technology interact with each other in the modern world, the answer will undoubtedly be they interact extensively. One of the easiest examples of technology influence insurance can be seen in the development of telematics. Telematics is commonly found associated with car insurance products and is the term describing the use of technology to track the policyholder's behavior and the use of that behavior to calculate future premiums. For car insurance underwriters, telematics offered concrete proof as to whether a driver was objectively bad. By putting a black box in your car or through installing an application on your phone, an underwriter is able to receive data on the policyholder's driving, from the location a vehicle may be operating in to the speed it's traveling on roads. All the information about the car is collected and fed back into the underwriter's computers. It's a simple idea, and the use of customer data to more accurately assess risk is now increasingly common across many different classes of insurance product, which would not have been possible without the introduction of technologies to facilitate the transfer of that data between real-world and underwriting systems. And the impact of tools on insurance is only increasing. Beyond insurance implementing tech systems to improve product offerings, technology has actually influenced the creation of new types of insurance coverage in recent years. All technology carries with it certain risks, whether those risks are small, a document being deleted, or large, your web store crashing and taking the company offline. The risks exist. With the increasing reliance of businesses on almost all industry verticals on technological tools to facilitate operations, there comes a risk of those tools becoming unavailable or going down. The risk of interruptions to digital systems and networks led directly to the creation of cyber insurance products, insurance solutions designed to mitigate or compensate against interruptions or attacks related to a company's digital infrastructure. Cyber insurance is a bespoke form of coverage tailored to the needs of the company being insured, but would not exist without the move over the last 20 and 30 years towards an all-encompassing Internet of Things. With more and more transactions being conducted online and via connected networks, solutions were required for the inevitable problems that would arise, especially those arising from criminality. Insurance and technology have been intertwined for as long as either concept has existed. Technology causes uncertainty and creates risk, and consequently requires some form of security, which has been historically held by way of an insurance product. Insurance has also used technology to create better coverage solutions, streamline claims handling, and empower consumers to make smarter decisions about their policies. Insurance will continue to be changed as new forms of technology are developed and there are becoming new reasons to manage risks. That's us for this week. As always, we hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Remember to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.